Yeah, I know a guy who dated an English girl and had 3 kids with her, and he just checked out and went back Amish. Sadly, that happens way too much. I know quite a few of the former Amish that started families after leaving, and for numerous reasons they end up going back and leave the family hanging. And you know, it's really sad to see it happen because some of them get themselves in legal trouble, go to jail, whatever it may be, and when they want to kind of run from their troubles, they'll end up going back where they came from, back to the Amish, because they already know the Amish church is going to have their back. They're going to forgive them, they're going to give them a new chance, a life, forgive them, all of those things. All you got to do